Ollama from the ollama.com/download for Mac. And once I did that, I had the option to, I double clicked it, and this is the option. So you have to copy this here to the application. I already did that, and then you just have to run once here like that, and then it opens up something like that. So the model that I'm actually, so get rid of that. The model I'm really interested is in the gemma3. You can see all the models here. But the gemma3 is the smallest one, so go there and then grab this guy. Then I have a terminal and just say Ollama list, I guess single list, Ollama list. Yeah, there's no model here. Then I'm gonna just pull and then copy this here. It's gonna take some time. Oh, not too bad. Give it a minute. Okay, almost there. Pretty good. Pulling. Oh, okay. Writing manifest. Okay. I'll just run the command again. Okay, so this is running. All right, thank you.